Hey. We're on problem 5, the last problem of section 2 for chapter 2. And this one's graphing using direct variation equations. So it says, what's the graph of a direct variation equation y equals negative 2/3 x? And this isn't anything really special, even though it does says direct variation. It's just basically putting some values in, plotting those points, and then drawing a line through it all. So here, let me show you. So what I would do is set up my equation, let's see, 3 times. Y equals negative 2/3 x, y equals negative 2/3 x, and y equals negative 2/3 x. Now, everywhere you see an x on these 3 equations, you're going to go to your table and put the value of x into those spots. X is your input, remember? So on this first one, we have y equals negative 2/3 times negative 3. Now, if you notice the table, so this is just a little math trick. Notice that they picked multiples of 3, negative 3, 0, 3. They did that because the denominator is a 3. So what happens is when you pick values of 3, then the denominator and the x value, they will cancel out. So we have a negative 3 here and a negative 3 here. So those cancel out, and then you just have y equals 2. So I'm going to put 2 here. And then over here we have y equals negative 2/3 times 0. Anything times 0 equals 0. And then we have y equals negative 2/3 times 3. And then remember that the 3's cancel out, and we have a negative 2. So 0 and then negative 2. Okay, so that's our point. So now we just need to plot them. So here's a point, here's a point, and here's a point. So we have negative 3, 2. So we go over 1, 2, 3, up 2, 0, 0, and 3, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, down 2. Alright, and then we need to just draw a line through all this stuff. Whoa. Here, let me fix that line for you. Don't want no crazy lines. There we go. And that would be our graph. So make sure that you know how to plug the values into x, solve for x, and then plot those points, and you should be fine. So now for this section, you're ready to go to the quiz. Make sure that you get passing grade for the quiz, or it won't allow you to go to section 3. If you need to review any of these videos, they're here for you. You can just go back, play the parts that you need, and kick butt. Okay, see you in the next section.